The rose gold trend is on fire. Everything from fashion and makeup to our everyday gadgets comes in this rosy golden hue. It is a trend that shows no signs of burning out anytime soon. Hi, I'm David Munoz with Joico, and I'm coming to you from Los Angeles, working on one of the hottest trends in hair color right now, rose gold. Today I'm going to be using two shades from Joico's Color Intensity Pearl Pastel collection in rose gold and silver ice. These soft iridescent pastels are super wearable and universally flattering, so they're great for that client who wants to make a modern color statement. These shades, like all Color Intensity shades, are loaded with ultra nourishing Kukui Nut Oil, so you know that the shine and condition are going to be insane. This also means that you'll get perfect, smooth application for any creative color technique that you want to do. To get this look, start with hair that's been pre-lightened to a level 10 and toned to a silver blonde. Keep in mind that the final rose gold shade will vary depending on the hair's starting level. To start this technique, take a cat eye section on the top of the head that extends from the front of the hairline to the back of the crown. Now take 4 pie-shaped sections in the front and 4 vertical sections angled downward from the cat eye section in the back. Here's a little tip. I use chopsticks for multiple purposes. Easier, cleaner sectioning for holding hair without leaving creases, and to add a little style to my work. Next, go to the right nape section, take a 1/2 inch part, and apply Joico Color Intensity Rose Gold from the scalp to 3/4 down. Then apply Joico Color Intensity Confetti Rose through the ends. Be sure to use your fingers to scissor the point where the two shades meet for a seamless melt. Keep your work organized and clean by outlining each large section with Joico Color Intensity Rose Gold before applying color to the smaller 1/2 inch partings. Here, I brush the color on against the grain to really push the color into the hair and get even saturation. Joico Color Intensity shades give that flawless finish, which means no spotty, uneven color, just perfect results every time. These shades last up to 10 shampoos, so you want the results to look flawless. Continue to work your way up in 1/2 inch sections, applying rose gold from the scalp to 3/4 down the hair. When you reach the occipital bone, start to apply Joico Color Intensity Silver Ice to the end. As you reach the occipital bone, shift the color ratio from 3/4 and 1/4 to 2/3 and 1/3. Now let's move to the right side section above the ear, outline the section like before with rose gold, and bring the color down halfway through the hair. Then melt confetti rose through the end. I like to melt shades together at an angle instead of straight across to create a veil that really opens up the face. When you get to the face framing sections, apply rose gold from the scalp and bring it down about 1 inch. Then apply silver ice to the ends. The icy silver shade on the ends will give the face a pretty pearly glow. Repeat the process on the other side. From the back of the cat eye working forward, take 1/4 inch partings and apply rose gold from the scalp all the way through the ends. Here, I apply rose gold to the entire section to show off that gorgeous color. After all, it is the star of the show. When you reach the mid-back point of the cat eye, right behind the ear, melt silver ice into the ends for more of that flattering, pearlescent lighting effect around the face. Here's another tip. In these sections, apply silver ice first to serve as a visual guide that will help you figure out how far up the section melting point should be. As you work forward, you should increase the amount of silver ice in your ombre. As you continue working toward the front of the hairline, alternating the rose gold and ombre sections, your partings will begin to get finer. I love that Color Intensity and all Joico color products are packed with hair protecting ingredients like Quadramine Complex. As an artist, it's important for me to focus on being creative without worrying about hair damage. Allow the color to process for 20 minutes, rinse the hair thoroughly, then treat it with Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. Now that's how you take the rose gold hair trend to the next level. It's soft, super shiny, and just look at how the colors melt together as the hair moves. I hope you guys enjoyed my technique, and for more tips as well as more tutorials, download the Joy Color System app and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.